Imagine wasting 2.5 hours every single day just hunting for the documents you need. That's over 600 hours per year. Gone. While your clients wait, deadlines pass, and your credibility crumbles because you can't find a simple file when it matters most. Let me show you what document chaos really looks like in your organization. Here's a typical company folder: invoice final v2 final.pdf, meeting notes copy.docx, untitled document 3 PDF. Sound familiar? Your sales team dumps everything into one folder. Engineering creates cryptic file names like engdoc2241201v3 final real.xlsx. Management saves everything to the desktop with names like document1.pdf. And you're the one who has to make sense of this mess when systems break down. Now, picture this nightmare scenario. Your biggest client calls at 4:30 p.m. on Friday. They need their signed contract immediately for a board meeting Monday morning. You know it exists somewhere in your system, but where? You're frantically clicking through dozens of folders, opening random PDFs that take forever to load, calling colleagues who don't answer. Meanwhile, your client is questioning whether they can trust your company with their business. Here's the brutal reality. McKinsey research shows knowledge workers spend 20% of their time just searching for information. For a $75,000 salary, that's $15,000 per year per employee wasted on digital hide-and-seek. Multiply that across your team. Add the cost of missed deadlines, compliance failures, and lost deals because critical documents vanished into the digital void. This is where AI File Pro transforms everything. Watch what happens when I point it at that same chaotic folder from earlier. I simply select my folder and click Start Organizing. AI File Pro's GPT-5-powered engine reads every single document using advanced OCR and AI. It understands content, context, and meaning, not just file names. Look at this transformation. Invoice Final v2 final.pdf becomes Acme Corp. Invoice 2024-1215 $15,847 PDF. That cryptic engineering file, now it's product specifications widget X1 Rev 3 to XLSX. Every file gets a meaningful searchable name based on its actual content. But AI File Pro doesn't just rename files. It creates intelligent folder structures based on what's actually inside your documents. All invoices automatically flow into Finance Invoices 2024. Engineering specs land in Engineering Product Specifications, Widget X1. Meeting notes get sorted by department and date. Everything organized logically, automatically. And here's where automation gets powerful. Watch folders. Set up monitored directories, and AI File Pro processes new files automatically as they arrive. 24/7. Your documents organize themselves while you sleep. Need to find something? AI File Pro's search capabilities go far beyond basic file search. Ask, show me all contracts with Acme Corp from last quarter, or find invoices over $10,000 that are past due. The AI reads and understands document content, giving you exactly what you need in seconds instead of hours. A logistics company used AI File Pro to organize 50,000 shipping documents. Their compliance officer went from 4-hour document hunts to 30-second searches. AI File Pro is highly rated on G2.com by real users who've solved their document chaos. AI File Pro gave us our lives back, says their IT director. They're now processing thousands of files automatically with perfect organization every time. Ready to end your document chaos forever? Start your free trial of AI File Pro right now. Process up to 1 GB of documents completely free. No credit card required. No setup fees. No risk. Visit FabSoft.com, click Products, then AI File Pro, and hit Try Now. In just minutes, you'll watch years of file chaos transform into perfect organization. Stop wasting time hunting for documents. Start organizing with AI today.